Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you two certifications that you can get absolutely for free. So if you are a university student, please watch this video until the end. You are able to get two valuable certifications at no cost. So the first certifications that you are eligible to get is GitHub Copilot, and the second one is GitHub Foundations certification. So in order to get these certifications, you need to come to your GitHub profile first. Then click on the profile button, then go to settings. Then click on billing and licensing and come to educational benefits. Then you should see I have applied for GitHub Education and GitHub Education Pack. So in order to get these two certifications for free, you need to activate your student status in here. So please apply by your university email and university ID if you have not activated it yet. So once you applied, wait for up to 72 hours, then you should be see like this. So if you click this here button, then you should be navigate to a page like this. So here you come to the all of us section, then you can see about GitHub certification of a 2025 section. So there you have to click this generate button, then you are able to see a coupon code. Then you can copy and go to these pages, this GitHub Foundation certification page and GitHub Copilot certification page, and there you able to schedule this exam. So you can use that coupon code there and activate your free certification voucher and do these certifications for free. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and I hope to do videos and tutorials based on DevOps, cloud and software engineering, especially on DevOps and cloud niche. So hope you have got something in my video today. Goodbye and thank you very much.